Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Oh, it goes down. I have just made some caramel sauce, pumpkin spice caramel sauce, and I have some left over. I need to clean up the pot, so I want to make some pumpkin spice cheesecake with it so that I can clean up the pot. So, okay, here we have drained yogurt, and this yogurt is made by this oncture. Oncture is kind of gluey, sticky, and creamy, and this is really by far the best yogurt starter. These strains of bacteria is really very, very good. Look at it. And this is the homemade cheese. I want to make some cheesecake, and it looks so condensed. Oh la la. Do I need this much? Might be too much, right? Okay, I will start with this, and usually when I make it, I will have my homemade cookie. So here are the cookies. I blend it and make into a cookie base. But today I am thinking maybe I do not need it, just pure caramel sauce and pumpkin spice caramel sauce with cheesecake, pure cheesecake, flour free, no starch. Oh, the goodness of it. I will blend it. Give me 1 minute. You see, this is why I have strong arm. Okay, I will show you this way. You can see my arm. Can you? No, you cannot. Too far away. Oh, you better have a good look of this arm. Because I make yogurt, so I have this arm. Oh. So proud of it. So I have one friend asking how you get your arm, toned arm or something, by making yogurt, by eating cheesecake. Because I make cheesecake, so I see. That is labor. That is a lot of work. If you can do it, you sure have a good arm. Okay? How to, so this video's title will be how to have a strong arm. Eat cheesecake. Oh, that looks so good. Cinnamon spice. No, not cinnamon. Pumpkin spice cheesecake. So the recipe is homemade yogurt, drained yogurt, make it into cheese, and make pumpkin spice caramel sauce, and use the dirty pot combine with your homemade cheesecake. That is pumpkin spice cheesecake, and you can see the grain of it. Looks so good. Look at it. Look at it. This is so good. It's only for me, so I can taste it. Oh my. Oh wow. As one friend said, this is dangerous. This is definitely dangerous. Pure, nothing else. Too big. Not easy. Put in. Oh, I made only 2. Gosh. So this is a pumpkin spice cheesecake. Ooh, there is a thread of it. And put into refrigerator overnight. It will be even better. And how to make pumpkin spice yogurt? Then you do not drain this. So another pot, we need to clean it up. We can put yogurt here. Let's put yogurt in this. It cleans up the pot and look at this yogurt. It's so so good. A little bit gluey. Oh. It takes time for it to dilute, for the caramel sauce to dissolve. So, see, you can do. You can do this to help with the dilution, but it's just a question of time. I like to do it. It's very relaxing. One layer coming out. Another layer coming out. Yeah, something like it. It is fun. Eventually it will be all dissolved. So that's pumpkin spice yogurt. Question? Of course. There is not such a thing of question. Because it's good. No question. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do.